Hi loves! Today I'm showing you how to create these super fun bubble nails. They are colorful, textured, and so easy to make. Let's get started. The base consists of a layer of base coat. And now I apply blooming gel. Blooming gel should not be hardened. Instead, you do it after application. I store a picture of what colors I use, and now I just take out the dotting tool and apply dots randomly on the nail. Have fun with the application. It doesn't have to be perfect. After we have cured the nail, we apply nail glue, where we will place our bubbles. After you place the bubbles, cure the nail design for 60 seconds. Finish the nail design with top coat. You can choose any colors to make this nail design as long as the colors match each other. Now we're doing the next nail. The technique is the same but with different colors. This is one of the most fun nail designs I've done. Feel free to leave a comment in the comments section if you have any requests for any nail design. When you then place the bubbles, try to place them in different sizes and a little here and there on the nail. The placement does not have to be perfect. Now I've shown you 2 different color combinations, and now we're doing the last one. If you're still watching, comment which color combo you would have loved to try. I love seeing your ideas. And if you are enjoying the video so far, feel free to subscribe for more nail designs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this bubble nail design. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in my next nail tutorial.